Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Kaizer Chiefs have dropped their Kappa home and away kit for the 2026-27 campaign. Amakhosi are in their fourth year of their partnership with the Italian sportswear brand Kappa and have now dropped their new home and away kit. Here is a statement from the club. It says, "The home jersey is a statement of beauty, sophistication and class, featuring the club's iconic gold base, embellished with subtle geometric patterns inspired by the Zulu culture, symbolizing a shield overlaid with black pins stripes and a sleek black collar. It's designed to be worn not only at football matches but also a must-have lifestyle essential in every supporter's wardrobe. And the away jersey, which represent Amakhosi pride, is the black with the gold and grey zigzag trimmings, forming a striking V shape across the crest, similar to a lion's mane, updated with modern twist. The design pays homage to memorable 1989 and 1992-93 seasons, invoking nostalgia among loyal supporters of the Glamour Boys. That's the statement from the club. And Jessica Mutaum, Kaizer Chiefs marketing director, said, "Like we have done over the past 3 seasons, we have worked hard to come with glamorous and stylish designs that manifest the spirit of our mantra for the season. The Kingdom Rises, intended to make our players and supporters stand out and be noticed, whether at stadium or elsewhere. The away jersey roars with pride and is one very strong jersey. We thank Kappa again for their partnership and look forward to another season of success on and off the field." That's what Jessica Mutau said. And Ricky Joseph of Kappa South Africa said, "It is an honor to have South Africa's biggest club, Kaizer Chiefs, wearing the Kappa kit so proudly. What's even more rewarding is seeing the jersey everywhere you go in South Africa and across the continent during CAF competitions, from Angola to Democratic Republic of Congo, Zambia and Egypt. We look forward to another successful season with Amakhosi. As we get into our fourth year, we truly believe that supporters and players will enjoy wearing these new kits. Once again, congratulate our design team in Italy for maintaining such high level of creativity. I believe that this season's Kaizer Chiefs design are our best yet, perfectly combining trendiness, history and culture all in one." That's the statement from Kappa, South Africa. Now, let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of this home and also the away jersey? Are you impressed with them? Please rate them out of 10. How much would you give a home jersey out of 10 and also the away jersey out of 10? Please rate them in the comment section below. That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.